Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account, all without breaking a sweat. Sound too good to be true, right? Well, today I want to tell you that this is what happens to me. I'm always awake at 3. If at all sleep takes me somewhere and I can't control to wait for 3-4 o'clock to check amount of money that is going to be deposited in my account, it's my first thing. Sometimes I even forget to make a prayer before I hold my phone to see how much I earned the previous day. Well, thanks to ChatGPT, I came to know this ChatGPT some time back, and it has helped me. It has taken away the stress and the hassle. Above all, it has given me different ways, the laziest ways, especially if you're beginning to earn money with it online. I'm going to share with you, but before I share with you, making money online has never been easier like the way right now. Even if you're lazy or have zero experience, you guys, if we talk about being lazy and having zero experience, it's like the way you see this video today. I was a bit lazy. Can you believe this video? I did it from I was seated, but I wasn't seated. The ChatGPT helped me a lot to make this video, and I'm going to earn from it. Today I'm going to show you how you can use these 4 lazy ways to make money online with ChatGPT or using ChatGPT. I don't want you to have skills. I want you to learn skills. From here, just go and look for ChatGPT. No upfront investment, nothing you're going to deposit there, and no complicated strategies. Stick around till the end because I'll share the easiest methods that can make you make money today. So before everything we do, what is ChatGPT and how does it look like? I want you to go to your browser. You put the word ChatGPT. When it comes, click on ChatGPT. Put the prompts. ChatGPT has a premium and it has also free version. I'm always using a free version because I use a lot of tools and a lot of apps. So this time when you go there, you know what is your niche. You can feed in everything about yourself on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will handle the rest for you. So let's dive in and see how can you make you can make money just in a lazy way, because I know most people, we are like that. We want to make it in a lazy way. The first one, and before the first one, do you know we have our royal subscribers who came recent? You're so beautiful. I love you so much. You're so handsome. You guys, join hands with me and we celebrate our royal fans, the people who are always there when we put a video. They're always with us. I celebrate every royal fan. I celebrate every gifter and every student that has decided to stand with Immaculate Show. So we dive in and see the first lazy passive way to make money online with ChatGPT. It is to sell all generated content. This is a cash on pilot, nothing less and nothing more. How does this one work? You use ChatGPT to create blog posts, ebooks, social media captions, and even you can put ad copies. You can sell them in different platforms. On one-on-one, you can sell them. But above all, if you want something big and you want to build your brand, you can sell them on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy. So this is a lazy hack. You don't even have to write, you guys. I don't write anymore. It's hardly write. Just type a simple prompt. And how do you type a simple prompt? You can see it on our screen. You type a simple prompt of what you want. Let ChatGPT do the rest. Do the content for me. And copy paste it to your clients. You copy and paste it to where you want to put it. This is how it is. The earning potentials are very high, you guys. Suppose you're working around $10 to $200 per day or per project. That is very massive. The second one is start an automated affiliate blog. Make money while you sleep. You people, when we talk about make money while you sleep, most of you get excited. You want to make money while you sleep, but you don't go deep down to know how can I make money while I'm sleeping. This is how it works. You pick a niche, Like mine, I picked mine, you know, and I advise you to pick niches that are highly paid. In other words, a high CPM. Niches like tech, niches like fitness, travel, and finance. Then when you pick these niches, you go ahead and use ChatGPT to write CEO optimized blog post. A blog can be optimized by the same ChatGPT. What you do, you go ChatGPT and it will formulate everything for you. Then you add affiliate links to Amazon, ClickBank, or other platforms. Here, when you do this, what is the laziest way of you earning money here? You use free tools like WordPress to make yourself, WordPress can make yourself a website. You don't need to pay at all. Then you add their ChatGPT to generate entire blog article in minutes, in seconds. I'm telling you, once your blog ranks on Google, you earn passive income while you're doing nothing. But the foundation matters. I know someone out there is like, how much can I earn? The money you earn here is determined by you. But the people who are very determined and focused are earning from 500 to 10,000 every month, especially if you're in these niches that I've talked about. The third laziest way to earn with this, your phone and ChatGPT, it is to create and sell generated printables. Here there is zero work after setup. Seriously. What do you need to do? You need to use ChatGPT to generate quotes. You generate planners, even generate journal prompts. Turn them into printables using Canva. Canva is we have two ways of using Canva. You can use the free one if you're a beginner, and at the same time, if you want, you can go for premium, because premium has high other chances than Canva. The options are endless with premium. What is the lazy hack here on this creating, selling, and generated printables? One, once you upload, you never have to touch again over here. They sell they are selling themselves. They sell on autopilot, and you only sit there and wait for your money. You can have a minimum of $5 to $50 per day, or per sale. But at least I want to assure you that the sale here is an unlimited sale, because the potential is high depending on your niche and your season. The last but not least about earning the lazy way is getting paid for ChatGPT powered social media accounts. What do I mean here? You can start YouTube like what I'm doing. You can start Instagram, TikTok, Twitter page. Use ChatGPT to generate viral quotes, captions, and even tweet ideas. Monetize them. Even you can monetize with brand deals, ads, and affiliate marketing. The lazy hack here, what I talk about is that automate everything with scheduling tools like Bufferstock, Later. So, it is so beautiful when I'm telling you that if you reschedule with Buffer or Later, the content post itself, your earning potential is endless here. It starts from $50 to $5,000 per month. But above all, I would love to ask you guys, out of these 4 laziest ways, have you ever used one? If you're new here, can you tell me that you're in position to use 1 or 2 of these ones? Because they are very easy to use. Which one are you really trying this time? Let me know in the comment section. With more easy money making hacks I can bring for you on a daily basis, if you let me know that you're much interested. And if you're much interested, put it in the comment section. It was an honor and a great time for me to be with you. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you in another video. Bye bye.